So my friend, today we are going to do another look from this eyeshadow palette from Amazon, and this is the eyeshadow palette. I also got some brush from them. I bought and I got these brush, but some of them are so like really tall. I don't know what they can do, but I'm gonna use what I can use from it and what I cannot use. So I'll already apply some concealer to my eyes today, and these are the color that we are going to play into today, you guys, from this eyeshadow. So I'm gonna play into this color here, and I'm gonna put it right here. I always like to make sure that I make my crease out because I'm not good at crease making like some people. So I use the eyeshadow color for the crease. So I'm gonna go into this dark shade also. This is a very dark shade and I'm gonna use it. This brush that I got from Amazon, they are not really, they are a bit hard. So that's why I have to, like, if I can manage to use them, then I have no choice but to get other brush that I have here. But they are not one of my favorite brush. So these are, look at this. These are some other brush. So I'm gonna use like these, and I'm not really feeling these brush, you guys. I'm not feeling these brush. Okay, I think they crop. So I have my own brush here. So I'm gonna use these, my own brush. The brush them that I got from Amazon, I'm not feeling them. I'm not at all. I'm not really feeling the brush that I got from Amazon. And I'm trying to make sure that I do blend this color out, because that's one of the things with makeup. Once you apply a color, you have to like blend it out properly. And this is what I am doing. I'm trying to blend out the color here properly. And then if the color get too harsh, then you put another color over it to do it. So I am going to use this one here and just put it over the color to blend out the edges of the color that are in my crease here. The last time I used this one. So I'm using this one today to blend the color out in my crease so I can take away the hash line. So guys, how are you? I have not been doing that well, and I was watching my friend live yesterday and she was saying the same thing. When you get older, all different things started to happen to your life, but I still gonna say that I really give God thanks because I'm still here, and that's the most important thing. My friend would say, like when she called me and she would say, "Good morning, my friend," and I would say, "I'm here," and she said, "Oh, remember, you are on top, you are not underneath the earth." So I really grateful. I'm gonna go into this dark shade also, and I'm gonna place it here. Yeah, I just have to be grateful that I am still here. That's one of the most important things in life, because some people are not so lucky, and I am grateful, and I am lucky to be alive. So you can see this is really of a nice, really nice color. I am going to use a bit of this gold. The last time I put this on my lid, so I'm not gonna put it on my eyebrow. I use it underneath my brow bone today, not on my lid. The last time I used it on the lid, today I'm just gonna put it under my brow bone. That's where I'm gonna put it. Just catch it underneath my. I like when my underneath my brow bone is highlight. I like the highlight underneath there. And because I shave my brow off, because you know what, for me, when I don't have my brow on sometime, I shape it better. I'm gonna put a little bit on the cupid part of my nose here. Yeah, put it there. So yeah, as I was saying, so now let's go into this color, which is a silver looking color, and I'm gonna use this on the lid this time. As I was saying, that when you get older, as my friend was saying, there's your body change, and if you retire, as she said, or you're not retire, your body just changed. I retire, but I've been home like for a couple of years good, and I think I have to start move my body. I mean, I'm in my home, and if I have to go out, I go out. But then sometimes when I go outside and the heat is on me, my body cannot take the heat, although I come from a really hot country. My body can't manage the heat out there. And that's one of the things I'm not like, if I'm going out, I try to go early unless I have a late appointment. But if I don't have a late appointment, I try to go early. This is the color, you guys, that I am using today on my eyes. I'm using this color on the eyes. I find out that the other color that I use, this one here, the other time I find it to work better than this one here. Yeah, as I was saying that, my friend was saying that when your body get older, your body don't function, and the best thing for you to do is move your body around. And that's so true, because sometimes I get so really like I don't want to move, and another time I want to move, and sometimes I don't want to move, and I don't like that. If I'm in my home, I have to go out. Like if I have an appointment at the doctor, I try, if I get an early appointment, because I don't like even appointment, I try to go early and come back. Like this morning today, I went out early. But sometimes I'm not into, like, I don't really want to stay out late, especially when it's hot. Because when it's hot here, it's very humid. When you go outside and you come in, your body feel like you don't want to do nothing. And I know the sun is really good for you, but as for me, it's too hot. So, but once I'm in my home, I started to move myself up and down. I don't want to like sit down and not doing. I just want to move like up and down in my home. Find something to do. If I'm not doing, I'm just here like trying to get out of that zone that I'm in. When I am, if I was back home and I retire, it would be more easier for me. Although the sun out there either I can't manage, but it would be more easier for me, because at the end of the day, I could move around. Here, you can move around, but it's a little bit hectic. It's a little bit hectic for me here. So this is how my color look. It's a silver looking color that I use, and I sort of dark up above here because I like it to be very a bit dark. So I'm going to make sure that I put some of this brownish color here under my eyes. And I don't, this is very like, this is a bit very ticklish for me when it come on to applying color underneath my eyes. Some people do it without, but as for me, it's very hard. Like, it's like a little bit hard on there to put it. So I'm gonna put some of this color, which I don't even know. Today I'm trying out a different mascara from the drugstore here, and this is from Revlon 24-hour no flaking eye mascara. They say that it makes your eye look a bit natural, your lash, and although I don't have lash, this is how the one is. So let's try this out. And it's so funny that I have so much lash here. I'm not wearing them. A lot of lash. I still not seeing nothing much from it. I'm still not really seeing nothing much from this mascara. Okay, it's not seeing nothing much, but I'm still trying it out. Yeah, let's go up a little bit. It says 24 hour. As I said, this is the third coat. Okay guys, I will come back. So this is my second eyeshadow look from this palette from Amazon. And these are the color. So I tried this lipstick out. This is from Revlon, and it's from Revlon Color Stay Limited Matte Lipstick. This is what I'm wearing on my lip today, you guys. And I also add some lip gloss to it. The mascara from Revlon, I still hasn't have that really tall lash looking like a fake lash, but I am okay with it. So this is the look, the lipstick. I just want to say thank you so much again for watching. Please like, share, do subscribe to my channel. My name is Jay's Parker Makeup, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye for now.